On Sunday, the 9th of July, we mobilized a historic coalition and led a march to demand HIV/AIDS treatment access. More than 5,000 people joined the march, representing organizations with millions of members worldwide. We will prepare a defiance campaign against drug companies by importing good quality generic medications, including fluconazole, and ensuring that they are available to healthcare facilities for appropriate use. None of us here have the intention of breaking the law, and we don't believe that we will be breaking the law. What we will be doing is breaking Pfizer's patent. We will be showing that Pfizer and other companies are abusing their patent. We have no criminal intention. Our only intention is to defend people's lives. Here I have in front of me a box of fluconazole that would cost 200 Rand, but if you bought it from a South African chemist, would cost you 4,000 Rand. There's no doubt that we will bring large amounts and large quantities of this into the country to ensure that people have access to good quality and safe generics. We won't stop doing it until our government and the drug companies have brought the prices of all essential medicines down. This is one made in Thailand.
We launched fluconazole under our name, Biozole, for about 2 years now. The price was dramatic drop down on the first year. I believe that for every country, generic products is a very necessary, is a fundamental for our pharmaceuticals market. Without generic, many people would have to pay a very high cost for their health care, which is really not necessary. With a consistent quality control and with good management with production, I believe that generic products can produce high quality products just as well as original products.
You know that the cost of the manufacturing and the cost of raw material for one capsule of fluconazole is only 4 bahts. Only 4 bahts per capsule. I'm talking about 287 bahts, initially of the price. So if we are selling at 6 bahts, we have profit. 2 bahts per capsule, that's a lot.
We have driven the price down for more than 20 times as well. The price situation in Thailand back then was very expensive. Of course, Pfizer doesn't really happy about it, but we believe that the raw material that we purchase is of good quality. It matches the original products. And the doctor had tried our products and they liked them.
We have to launch the raw material against our standard reference. If the fingerprints are in agreement with standard, we will accept it. If the fingerprints are not in agreement with standard, we will reject it.
Our activities are of the world-class manufacturing level.
Look at this. Finally arrived.
So this is fluconazole, generically made fluconazole, made in Thailand. And we use it for treatment of cryptococcal meningitis. We used to buy small amounts from Pfizer, but the prices were so outrageous that we could only buy small amounts. Now we can buy really as much as we need.
This, at the moment, is sold to the government by Pfizer for 4,500 Rand. A single box that we taking back, to South Africa costs 88 Rand 50, which means basically in South Africa they sell it to the government at 30 Rand a capsule.
30?
You can treat 15 people with fluconazole bought from Biolab, whereas you can only treat one person with fluconazole from Pfizer.
When Biolab supplied the fluconazole that Zackie's taking back to South Africa, they've also supplied with it a certificate of analysis of the raw materials inside the capsule. The fluconazole in this batch is required to have a bioequivalence of between 90 and 110%. And this particular certificate says that the bioequivalence of the fluconazole in these capsules is 103.8%. So it means that, it's good stuff. Pfizer are offering to give South Africa fluconazole. So, why are you buying it from Thailand?
Well, there are two reasons why we're doing that. First is we're defying Pfizer's patent, because the real problem here is not only the price, but the fact that Pfizer is giving it to the South African government in order to ensure that they retain their patent for the next 2 years on the product in the region. And it will only be to the government, whereas many workers in the private sector who have medical aid will still have to pay the excessive 100 Rand for each capsule. What happened today is the Medicines Control Council and the Department of Health will charge us with bringing generic medicines into the country illegally. They could charge us with that. What we have said is our fight is not with the Department of Health. Our fight is not with the Medicines Control Council, and we're sad that they made such reactionary statements, both of them. Our fight is with Pfizer and the drug companies who profiteer at the expense of people's lives. Our fight will continue, and we will win.